So I'm cooking a little bit of gluten-free pasta here. Actually, it's like 2 pounds worth for a pasta salad that I'm making, and it's one of my favorites. The brand is called Bionaturae, and it's a potato and rice based pasta as opposed to rice and corn, which is really popular as well. But I just want to show you guys, I mean, this brand behaves like a traditional pasta. It doesn't get gummy. You could see that it doesn't clump together. And this is 4 bags worth because the gluten-free pasta usually comes in a smaller size bag. So this is 4 bags, which is the equivalent of 2 pounds. And you can see that the rotini is not stuck together. It's not breaking apart. It really, really is nice. And if you want, you can rinse it when you throw it in your colander after it's cooked. That way it kind of takes the rest of the starch off if you are adding it to, let's say, a pasta salad.